Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Animate. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Adobe Animate. So I'm just going to click on Adobe and search for Animate. And basically, I'm just going to click on it and wait for the app to launch. And basically, this is the main page or the home page of Adobe Animate. And from here, you can start creating new templates or a new file to animate. And of course, this is only the canvas or only the composition where you want to use or the resolution. And basically, you can choose any platforms that you want, or you can just start as a beginning to use from templates and choose new from templates, and you can have some specific uh, sizes. So I'm just going to choose new, and from here I'm just going to start using these files or these sample files, and I'm just going to use this puppy, double click, and I will have my animate page that will be started. So So basically, Adobe Animate is kind of has the concept of keyframes. So whenever you are doing any action, you will have the object that will be changing, and as you can see, it will always start adding some keyframes. So here I will have this one here, and I'm going to change it. And for example, I can scale this image. I need just to have it like that. And of course, you can start changing from anything that you would like. And this is, of course, the layers shape or the layers or the group of layers. And of course, you can start uh, changing whatever you like. You start having it here. And as you can see, it has like the concept of keyframes, and each time you are, for example, drawing something here, and I'm just going 1 second after, for example, here I will just have this one that will be added, and I'm going to have those both parts, and I'm going, for example, have something like that, and we can just click on play so we can have uh, the final result. So you will need just to play or have, and as you can see, you will have something or you will start seeing the movement or the animation that you are using. And basically for each template, you can start having multiple or more customization for each part. And as you can see, for each part can have some properties that you can start using from here. And if you want some other windows that you would like to have, for example, like the libraries, brush libraries, you will find them here just on the window, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.